The all-new Renault 5 is a bold fusion of heritage and cutting-edge innovation. This modern hatchback revives a classic, now with an electric heartbeat. With its striking design, eco-friendly performance, and smart tech, it's the ultimate choice for drivers seeking style and sustainability in one. Our journey begins with huge metal sheets. These flat sheets, often made of high-strength steel or aluminum, are the raw materials that will eventually become the Renault 5's body. But how do they transform from plain sheets into the car's iconic shape? It all starts with massive hydraulic presses. These presses use incredible force, sometimes hundreds of tons, to stamp the metal into the precise shapes needed for the car's body panels. Whether it's the roof, doors, or side panels, each piece is carefully designed to fit perfectly with the others. The process is fast, efficient, and incredibly precise, ensuring that every panel meets Renault's strict quality standards. Once the metal is stamped, robotic arms take over. These robots are engineering marvels equipped with advanced sensors and programmed to handle each panel with pinpoint accuracy. They lift, rotate, and position the panels, ensuring that every piece aligns perfectly. This level of precision is crucial because even the smallest misalignment could affect the car's overall structure and performance. Automated machines step in to inspect each piece, checking for strength, durability, and perfect fit. Using lasers and cameras, these machines scan the panels to ensure they meet all specifications. While the body panels are being prepped, another team is hard at work on the battery components. Since the Renault 5 is an electric car, the battery is one of its most critical parts. Workers and robots collaborate to assemble the battery modules, ensuring they're ready for integration later in the process. The battery's role is so important that we'll dive deeper into its assembly later. But for now, let's move on to the next step, building the car's frame, where all these carefully crafted panels come together to form the Renault 5's sturdy skeleton. Now that we have all the body panels, it's time to put them together. This is where the Renault 5 really starts to take shape. Skilled workers and robots team up to assemble the car's frame, combining human expertise with cutting-edge technology to ensure everything is done perfectly. Look at these robots go! They're equipped with advanced welding tools that fuse the metal parts together, creating strong, lasting connections. The precision of these robots is incredible. They can weld seams that are just millimeters wide, ensuring the frame is both lightweight and incredibly sturdy. As the frame comes together, you can start to see the Renault 5's iconic shape emerge. The curves and lines that make this car so recognizable begin to take form, and it's amazing to watch the transformation. Doors and windows are carefully fitted into place, ensuring they align perfectly and operate smoothly. At the same time, the electric components, like the motor, wiring, and control modules, are seamlessly integrated into the framework. This is where the car's nervous system comes to life, connecting all the parts that will make it run. Every piece has to fit just right, and the collaboration between humans and robots ensures that everything comes together flawlessly. Of course, nothing leaves this stage without a thorough check. Workers and robots inspect every part to make sure it's safe, accurate, and meets Renault's high standards. They use advanced tools to measure alignment, test welds, and verify that all components are securely in place. Safety is always the top priority, and these checks ensure that the Renault 5 is built to last. Next up, the body shell gets some serious attention. This is where the Renault 5's structure really comes together. Robotic arms, equipped with precision welding tools, line up each metal panel and fuse them together. The process is a blend of art and science, as the robots create seamless connections that are both strong and visually flawless. The bright flashes of light are a sign of the intense heat and energy used to bond the metal panels. Each weld is carefully planned and executed to ensure the body shell is rigid, durable, and able to withstand the demands of the road. Every weld is inspected to meet Renault's high safety and quality standards. Advanced cameras and sensors scan the seams, checking for any imperfections or weak spots. If anything isn't up to standard, it's fixed immediately. This attention to detail ensures that the Renault 5's body is as safe as it is stylish. The car is carefully cleaned and prepped to ensure the paint adheres perfectly. Then, it's off to the paint booth, where it gets its signature color and shine. The paint application process is incredibly precise. Multiple layers are applied, including a base coat, color coat, and clear coat. Each layer has a specific purpose, from providing vibrant color to adding a protective finish. The result is a deep, glossy shine that makes the Renault 5 look like it's ready for the showroom. The paint acts as a barrier against rust, UV rays, and everyday wear and tear. This ensures that Vehicle 5 stays looking fresh and vibrant for years to come. Now, let's talk about the heart of the Renault 5, the battery. Since this is an electric car, the battery is a big deal. It's not just a power source. It's the core of what makes this car so innovative and eco-friendly. The process begins with huge automated carts transporting the battery frames to their assembly stations. These frames are the backbone of the battery pack, designed to hold all the modules securely in place. Technicians secure each battery module at a dedicated assembly station, using specialized alignment tools to position the modules exactly where they need to be. This step happens after all modules have passed voltage and temperature tests, ensuring they're ready for installation. Special torque wrenches then tighten the modules to precise specifications, guaranteeing they won't shift during operation. Even a tiny misalignment in the battery modules can disrupt the flow of electricity, leading to reduced performance and shorter battery life. More importantly, any irregular positioning could create excess heat or undue stress on certain parts of the battery system. This raises potential safety concerns, as lithium-ion batteries must maintain stable conditions to function properly. For these reasons, every measurement is double-checked before the assembly process continues, ensuring optimal efficiency and a high level of safety. Special tools and robotic arms step in to fasten every bolt and connection. These tools ensure that the battery is not only secure but also reliable. Each bolt is tightened to exact specifications, and every connection is checked to make sure it's flawless. This level of detail is crucial because the battery needs to withstand everything from daily commutes to long road trips. Once the battery pack is fully assembled, it undergoes rigorous testing. Technicians check its voltage, capacity, and overall performance to ensure it meets Renault's high standards. Only after it's tested and approved does the battery pack move on to the next stage. Now comes the exciting part: integration. The battery is carefully placed into the car's framework, where it becomes the powerhouse of the Renault 5. Alongside it, the electric motor and control modules are installed. These components work together to manage energy flow, optimize performance, and ensure a smooth, efficient driving experience. The battery provides the energy, the motor converts it into motion, and the control modules make sure everything runs smoothly. Together, they transform the Renault 5 into a modern electric marvel. And let's not forget how cool this whole process is. Watching the battery and motor come together is like seeing the car come to life. The final touches are all about making the Renault 5 look flawless. This is where the car truly transforms from a collection of parts into a polished, showroom-ready masterpiece. Workers meticulously add trim pieces, ensuring every detail is perfect. These small but important elements, like chrome accents, door handles, and badges, give the Renault 5 its distinctive look. If there are any tiny imperfections in the paint, they're carefully fixed to ensure the car's exterior is flawless. Inside, the cabin comes to life as seats, dashboards, and digital displays are installed. The seats are carefully positioned and secured, providing both comfort and support. The dashboard, with its modern design and high-tech features, is fitted into place, and the digital displays are connected to the car's systems. The touchscreen and all-electric systems undergo rigorous testing to verify each component works seamlessly. Technicians carefully check everything from the infotainment system to the climate controls. To ensure the system is up to date, a technician may insert a diagnostic tool into a special port on the dashboard or connect directly to the car's internal system through a secure connection. This allows them to load updates or perform software calibration, guaranteeing that all systems are running the latest firmware. Each feature undergoes a meticulous test cycle in Renault's diagnostic lab, where technicians verify responsiveness, accuracy, and software stability. The navigation system is updated with real-time traffic data and map revisions to check route calculation and speed. Safety features such as parking assist and lane departure alerts are tested using simulated scenarios and actual parking maneuvers. This thorough evaluation confirms sensor alignment, camera clarity, and system reliability, ensuring every component performs flawlessly under real driving conditions. By the end of these tests, Renault certifies the car's systems as both functional and dependable, supporting a seamless on-road experience for the driver. Every detail inside and out is inspected for alignment and finish. Workers use specialized tools to measure gaps between panels, check the smoothness of the paint, and ensure that all components are securely in place. It's a thorough process that leaves no stone unturned. And there it is, the Renault 5, ready to roll out in style. After passing all inspections, the finished cars are moved to large parking areas, where they await delivery. These areas are often equipped with solar panels, reflecting Renault's commitment to sustainability even in the final stages of production. From here, the Renault 5 begins its journey to showrooms and customers around the world. Each car carries with it the legacy of its iconic predecessor, combined with the innovation and technology of the modern era.